This video will be teaching you how to create the latex effect on Higgsfield AI. Now this is what the latex effect looks like. It shows a person in this latex suit. Now to create this kind of effect, all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai. On the website, go to apps, then scroll and choose the latex effect here. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see the original image uploaded. This is the original image uploaded. You can see the lady. She has a simple dress with her hands showing and her head. So we can now see the effects created using that particular image. Now to create something like this, all you have to do is click on upload image, or drag and drop your image in this section, and then scroll to this area, select the video effects instead of the image effect. This takes about 19 credits, and the beautiful thing about Higgsfield AI is that you can actually create this for free once you create an account, because Higgsfield AI allows you to create or generate videos for free every day. At least I think about one video per day. So on your free account, you can even generate two video effects per day, then subsequently a single video, and that is really cool. But if you want to really enjoy Higgsfield AI, I would advise you go for the premium plan. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.